Mastering the art of introducing summaries and paraphrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the art of introducing summaries and paraphrases in your writing. This is a vital skill for effective academic and professional communication, allowing you to present others' ideas in your own unique voice. Remember, our goal is to seamlessly integrate these summaries and paraphrases into your work. Let's start by understanding what we mean by summaries and paraphrases. Summaries are shortened versions of a text, capturing the main points in fewer words. Paraphrases, on the other hand, are reworded versions of a text, maintaining the original length but using different vocabulary and sentence structure. Introducing these in your writing can be tricky, but with the right techniques, you'll be doing it with ease in no time. One of the best ways to introduce summaries and paraphrases is through signal phrases. These phrases make transitions smoother, guiding your reader through the content and showing them when you're presenting someone else's ideas. Common signal phrases include, according to, as X states, or, in Y's view. Remember, the verb you use in your signal phrase should be chosen carefully to accurately reflect the original author's intention. For example, if the original author is making a claim, you might use the verb asserts. If they're suggesting an idea, proposes could be more appropriate. When integrating summaries and paraphrases, you need to ensure your writing maintains a natural flow. Avoid abrupt transitions between your own ideas and those of others. Use signal phrases as bridges to weave the summaries and paraphrases seamlessly into your narrative. Finally, pay attention to your citation style. Depending on the specific style guide you're following, e.g., APA, MLA, Chicago, the format of your introduction might slightly vary. Make sure to follow the citation guidelines correctly to give proper credit to the original author. And there you have it. We've explored the art of introducing summaries and paraphrases in your writing. With these tips, you can now communicate more effectively, presenting a balanced mix of your ideas and those of others. Practice makes perfect, so keep writing and integrating these techniques into your work. Happy writing, everyone!